You blink and boom, Instagram has 3 new features you didn't even know you wanted. But you gotta keep up if you want to stay ahead. So today I've got you covered with a breakdown of the newest Instagram updates. And you gotta stick around until the very end because we've got a rapid fire round with 2 new metrics that every account must track. Ready to be an Instagram pro? Let's get started. Chapter 1, Instagram Instants. One of Instagram's newest updates brings that raw, unedited energy that we all miss with a new private feature called Instants. These are vanishing photos and quick video clips that you can fire off inside your DMs directly to your close friends or your mutuals. Yeah, remember when social media was just, here's my iced coffee, here's my dog doing something weird, instead of a perfectly curated aesthetic? That's the exact vibe here. Anyone receiving your instant can only view it a single time before it disappears into the digital void, and unviewed instants vanish after 24 hours. Best of all, Instagram completely blocks screenshots and screen recordings, so you can rest assured that your instants are totally secure. Now, how exactly can a private DM boost your reach? Well, when people reply to your instant, Instagram's algorithm prioritizes your account by pushing your public stories to the front of their feeds, which just means more eyeballs on your content. But that's not all. Your instants automatically save to a private archive that you can then directly turn into public reach with the recap tool. Simply tap Create Recap and package your instance into a public story compilation. It bridges private DM engagement with public reach, driving viewers right back to your inbox. Chapter 2, The Algorithm Shift. Originality Rewarded. No more content stealing. Seriously this time. If you've ever felt frustrated seeing copycat accounts get views on all of your hard work, the algorithm just shifted in your favor. A couple of years ago, Instagram started replacing reposted reels with the original creator's video, which was a major win, if you primarily created reels. Now that protection extends to static photos, graphic memes, and carousels. When an account re-uploads your work, Instagram literally removes the copycat from recommendations and hands those views straight back to you. And that also means that if you are reposting any type of content, it's no longer going to benefit your reach. And because original content is king now, engagement metrics have a brand new top priority: DM shares. Double taps and comments are great, but when someone sends your post directly to a friend via DMs, the algorithm views it as the ultimate endorsement. Creating posts that spark private conversations through shares is officially your single best strategy for unlocking massive new reach. Chapter 3, New Options in the Instagram Banners section. Now you can turn your bio into an actual shop. So if you run a business or sell products online, this next update is going to make your life so much easier. Instagram is now testing 2 new additions to that banner section right underneath your bio with dedicated, updated options for business hours and direct contact info. And that is huge because in the past, if you wanted people to know your business hours or contact details, you either had to waste space in your 150 character bio or force people to tap around a clunky link in bio page. With this update, your hours and contact info will sit right at the top of your page as native banner badges, saving your viewers extra clicks or trips to external websites. And if you run a brick and mortar store, you can actually make one of those badge buttons display when you're open or closed for business. So by taking out those extra steps, your bio stops acting like a static social media profile and starts functioning like an actual storefront window. You're giving potential customers the exact answers they need the second they land on your page, turning cold profile visits into real sales. Chapter 4, Rearrange your grid. Your content brings the reach, but your profile page secures the follows. So it's time to make sure that your Instagram grid is ready to seal the deal. And with this latest update, you finally can. You're now able to manually reorder your profile grid tiles any way you want. And let's pause for a moment because this is major. Yep. All right, cool. So maybe you want a layout categorized by product launches or by your top performing content, or you're just really ready for a super aesthetic grid. Really, it's totally up to you. And whatever you do decide, you won't have to worry about it affecting your original post metrics because all your back-end engagement stats stay completely intact. Think of it this way. When a non-follower taps on your profile from a trending reel, you have about 3 seconds to convince them to stick around. Giving your grid a clean, intentional layout transforms traffic into long-term community members, so you don't waste the reach that Instagram sends your way. Chapter 5, Instagram Carousel Updates. If you want to multiply your reach on static content, carousels are officially your secret weapon. Instagram didn't just expand the maximum slide limit from 10 to 20, but now you can also add individual captions to every single slide. The text updates in real time as viewers swipe, which means that you no longer need giant walls of text in the main caption just to make your post make sense. Because honestly, who's really reading all of that anyway? And this is a massive reach multiplier because the Instagram algorithm heavily rewards dwell time, or the amount of time that people spend looking at your content. When every slide delivers its own punchy, targeted piece of value, people spend significantly longer swiping through your content. That extended watch time signals to the algorithm that your post is high value, triggering it to push your carousel out to brand new non-followers on the Explore page. Chapter 6, AI Creator Profile Labels. With the rise of AI, transparency has become a key growth strategy. If artificial intelligence plays a major role in how you generate your copy, imagery, or videos, Instagram now lets you display an AI creator label directly on your profile. Turning this on shows viewers that your content is primarily made using AI tools. And here's why this matters for your reach. As AI-generated media floods social feeds, viewer skepticism is at an all-time high. We've all seen the countless comments of people arguing whether or not what we're watching is actually real. When the algorithm pushes your post to new audiences, those non-followers are deciding in split seconds whether to trust you or not. Being upfront about your process builds instant credibility. By removing the guesswork around your content's authenticity, you lower the barrier for new viewers to hit follow, ensuring the traffic you get from the feed actually converts into a loyal, long-term community. Chapter 7, Instagram Native Teleprompter for Reels. This next update is a major game changer for not only speeding up your workflow, but also growing your reach. Instagram's new native teleprompter is built directly into the Reels camera now, so you can paste your script, adjust the scrolling speed, and read your lines while looking straight into the camera lens without the need for an expensive third-party app or, even worse, sticky notes all over your phone. I've been there, and it's not cute. Eye contact is the ultimate retention hook, especially in those critical first few seconds. And since Meta's own Creator Insight states that completion rate and watch time are the #1 signals for algorithmic distribution, you definitely don't want people scrolling away too quickly. When you maintain direct eye contact instead of glancing away at notes, viewers stay locked in longer, turning a smooth camera delivery into maximum account reach. More updates, rapid fire. Now let's get ready for some rapid fire real talk. I've got you covered with a run-through of every remaining update you absolutely need to know right now. First up, feed customization is now simpler to manage than ever before. Navigate to Settings and Activity, open Content Preferences, and select Reset Suggested Content to clear your recommendation history and retrain your feed from scratch. This helps you build your community by introducing you to the audience you actually want. Next, 2 vital performance analytics are now visible across all public professional accounts: skip rate and share rate. Skip rate represents the percentage of viewers who swipe away from your reel within the first 3 seconds. It is so important to keep an eye on your insights because keeping your skip rate low protects your video from being suppressed. A high skip rate indicates an ineffective opening hook and tells Instagram that this may not be a reel that people really want to see. And nobody wants that. But it's also a great learning tool for that exact reason. Knowing which hooks work and which don't is vital for creating reels to grow your reach. Share rate measures the percentage of viewers who forward your post through direct messages or share it to their stories. Generating a high share rate triggers an algorithmic boost that pushes your video directly to non-followers. Again, the insights are important. Next, Instagram Plus is currently testing in select regions as a paid subscription option. Plus members receive access to advanced story insights, story spotlights, story extend, story rewatch insights, and up to 6 profile pins. And finally, the hashtags that we all grew to know and love and definitely overused are actually on their way out. Effective hashtag strategy has changed dramatically. Adding 30 generic tags to a caption yields no algorithmic benefit today. Instead, using 3 to 5 hyper-relevant keywords accurately categorizes your content so much more efficiently without confusing the system. Slapping 30 random hashtags on a post in 2026 is like buying a brand new sports car and then covering it in cheap bumper stickers. It's not going to make you go any faster. It just clutters up your car. And the same thing is happening on Instagram. A bunch of hashtags gives the algorithm way too much information to sort through. It won't be able to figure out what you're actually trying to say and who would actually want to hear it. Guys, we have covered a lot, but if you're ready to turn these new updates into actual sales for your business, you need to watch our complete Instagram for Business tutorial next. That video breaks down our exact content funnel for turning cold profile visitors into paying customers. And if you run paid campaigns, follow that up immediately with our complete meta tutorial covering meta ads, Business Suite, and Meta AI to scale your brand across the entire network. And because we all know the algorithm loves to change, be sure to hit that subscribe button right now, tap the next video on your screen to keep learning, and drop a comment below telling me which update you plan to test first. My name is Sinead. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.